Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with the daily analysis for today, the 30th of October 2014. You're watching Bitstamp price 338 multiple time frames. Yesterday this was no man's land. Today the land belongs to the sellers. Long range candlestick on the previous market session, and as you can see, managed to generate new minimum areas, which are right now 333. So far buyers trying to resist and trying to take control away from the sellers, and this particular area is the one that is trying to create reaction. We have a small cluster on the intraday time frames that I'm going to show you in a minute, but so far it doesn't look very promising for the buyers unless there is counter trends coming along intraday. Something we have to take into consideration. Here is the 12-hour chart. This is where right now the SMA 200 is. A big divergency between the price and the SMA. It doesn't matter at this point because so far, as you can see, sellers are in full control of the situation, and we have a valley here that it can benefit this downtrend momentum that the sellers have. But so far this cluster is the one who's trying to change the game. We'll see what happens. How we can benefit from this? We might use counter trends in the small time frames on the daily intraday market, such as 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart. Obviously experienced traders are using them, so just make sure that you're following your trading plan so you minimize your exposure on these particular situations, because so far we were missing volume before yesterday, and all of a sudden right now sellers once again back and got full control of the situation, and right now we experience a momentum that it can continue towards 347. Actually, sorry, 318 with 15. Something, it might happen, but obviously we need to wait for new messages from the candles, particularly on the 60-minute chart. Before we go into that one, I'm going to show you what's happening in the 4-hour chart. Here is an overextended trend. Price is trying to is trying to build a new lower high that if it develops, it can definitely continue towards minimum areas. And why not? That area that we discussed before, the 318 or 312 actually, could be something possible today. But before that happen, we need to make sure that this particular momentum that we experience on the 4-hour chart shows that sign. If that message doesn't come, we can definitely see once again a potential denial of this previous retracement. The price needs to reach above 341 and try to reach this area, the bottom tail of this previous consolidation. We might have an opportunity, and how we can benefit from that? This is 60-minute chart. If the price managed to deny this previous long range candlestick and push the price above 341, the next higher low could be something we can take advantage of it, because that will be the new pattern as a counter trend, and the price will try to reach these previous consolidations that right now are new resistance. And why not? The price will try to reach the SMA 200, which is located at 357 with 23. This is the possibilities we have as counter trends, and if the continuation of the downtrend just don't stop, well, obviously we just have to wait for new areas where we can actually buy. But if you're going short, you're definitely managing your trade and you actually are in a positive field right now. So just keep an eye on it, be patient with your trading plan, and things will come along on your way. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day trading, and I'll see you around. Goodbye.